fix KernelBase.dll causes application crashes in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Start with the troubleshooter. Solution 2. Repair/reset the app. This option is available for all Windows-based apps and a few others. Solution 3. Run sfc/DISM. Fix corrupted system files by using the following steps. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Solution 4. Reregister the related file. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.